How to activate TD Bank debit card online. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to activate TD Bank debit card online. In order to do it, you have to open up a browser and on the web address bar type in tdbank.com. You could also use an application. Either way, the procedure is gonna remain the same. So press the link that appears right on top and then press on the login button, enter your credential and log in into your account. When you're logged in from the home page itself, you'll be able to find this option as activate card. Or something familiar. You just press on that and you'll be instructed on what you should be doing and what sort of information you should be providing, such as enter your card number, your CVV code, and enter your PIN, all of that, and proceed to the next step. When you're actually done with this procedure, then it's going to ask you to create a PIN. So go ahead and set a PIN. Make sure to type in twice for the confirmation, and you've successfully activated TD Bank debit card online. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.